Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to put a contact us page in Google Sites. Well, this is a very easy tutorial as you can see it inside the Google site. So all you have to do here is to look for that specific template or design. You can add a name right here or page title. Let's just say this one is form, something like that. Now there are many ways on how to add a contact form. You can do it manually, or you can just go to the pages, click this plus icon right here, and then tap on new page. You can create a form here. However, if you really want to add a contact form, like contact us, you just have to go to insert and then look for the form option right here, where you can just simply add this to your template or blank page. Now, once you tap this one, and then you should see something like this. This is where your client or customers add their name, their information, and then this is the way also that they can reach out to you. So all you have to do here is to insert this on a blank page, like you can add this below right here, and you can drag, you can resize this one. So for example, I'm going to add this, then I'm going to resize this here. It's up to you if you want to use the whole page or just the half page. So it will be added to your Google site. And again, if your client or customer want to reach out to you, contact you, all they have to do is to add their information right here and then their email address. Once they click submit, you will receive this, also their information since they have sign up or they have added this information to your Google site. Now you can also create your own way of contact us. All you have to do is to add blocks right here or boxes. Inside the box, you can add text like name, address, something like that, location, age, and so on. But it takes time to do that. So I strongly suggest to just go to insert and then look for the form and then insert the form right here. So that's how easy it is to put in a contact us page in Google site. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.